Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. Security put on high alert in Islamabad. In the wake of recent protests, the law enforcement agencies in Islamabad have put security on high alert. According to a police official, the Islamabad IGP has directed all police officials to ensure high alert security and enhance patrolling measures in this city. Record deaths as corona infections go up. Coronavirus situation becoming progressively worse. Pakistan recorded 149 new deaths on Saturday, the second highest coronavirus fatalities since the pandemic emerged last year. Junior classes to remain shut as 149 more succumb to COVID 19. Pakistan recorded 6,127 coronavirus infections, marking the highest daily number of COVID 19 cases since June 14, 2020, when 6,365 cases were reported from across the country. Saudi Arabia, Iran hold talks to ease tensions. Saudi and Iranian officials held direct talks this month in a bid to ease tensions between the two countries, a senior Iranian official and two regional sources says, as Washington works to revive a 2015 nuclear pact with Tehran and end the Yemen war. Dire need of beds, oxygen. India's capital under siege of COVID 19. India's capital, New Delhi, recorded 25,500 coronavirus cases in a 24-hour period, with about 1 in 3 people tested returning a positive result, its chief minister said, urging the federal government to provide more hospital beds to tackle this crisis. Hong Kong bans flights from India, Pakistan, and the Philippines for 2 weeks. Hong Kong will suspend flights from India, Pakistan, and the Philippines from April 20 for 2 weeks after the N501Y mutant COVID 19 strain was detected in the Asian financial hub for the first time. Afghan leaders seek political agreement ahead of troop withdrawal. Afghan politicians hope that the government of Afghanistan and the Taliban will achieve a political agreement on peace ahead of the announced date for the withdrawal of international troops from Afghanistan, predicting that an otherwise scenario will not be in the country's favor. US, China agree to cooperate on climate change. The United States and China have both expressed the willingness to cooperate with one another on the pressing issue of climate crisis. The statement was made public following a visit to Shanghai by US climate envoy John Kerry. New UK challenge trial to see whether people can get COVID again. British scientists have launched a trial that will deliberately expose participants who have already had COVID 19 to the coronavirus again to examine immune responses and see if people get reinfected. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.